My dear technician, you're welcome to my new video. Right here you can see this is a condenser microphone. I got this microphone through online. I was scrolling on my Facebook page and I saw this microphone. Okay. When I checked, I discovered that it was an advert. So people advertise this microphone. So I click it and check and I go through their website. They show me a whole lot of things and they told me that I will only pay when I get this microphone. I was happy and not just that, I told myself that this is not a scam, okay? So have to place order for it. When I checked the price, it was 65,000 naira. Okay. Then for the transportation, which you guys know about it, they say it's free. So I was happy about it, Sha. I was happy about it because I checked other places, the price was high, so I have to go for it. Okay, so I placed the order and guys, it only took some few days and I finally got this microphone. Guys, check this out. I'm going to unbox this microphone right now. And I want you guys to see everything inside this microphone. Guys, I'm very happy for this condenser microphone. Have in mind that we have different types of microphone. We have the dynamic and we have condenser and we have another type of microphone. There's a one we call reborn microphone, reborn, okay? But this one is condenser microphone. My dear technician, for you to get the best out of this microphone, after you get this microphone, please get a phantom power 48 volt so that you can boost the audio. Okay, check this out. This is what we call the pop filter. Check this out. We call this thing pop filter. My dear technician, you may ask, what is pop filter? Okay, this one is used when you want to sing. Okay, take for example, you're a musician. Okay, you want to sing and you don't want that, that all those sound, to pass through and enter the mic. Like you don't want the mic to record the so you need to use this pop filter. Okay, you need a pop filter to do it for you. So that is why there's pop filter that comes with this microphone. Okay, so check this one. This is the foam. This one is just foam filter. It's just like the pop filter. Okay, so this is the main microphone. As you can see, this is the main microphone. My dear technician, if you have any question, concerning this microphone or any type of microphone that you have and you want to ask me a question about it, feel free, let me know in the comment section. Okay, let me know in the comment section. So this is how the microphone look like. As you can see, I like the microphone, the color, the gold color, is something that I love so much. Here you can see the cables for your live stream. Just connect it and just play your music, stream live, whatever you want to do live and enjoy. Okay, this one is for the pop filter. Okay, this one is for the microphone. Okay, just put the microphone and you're good to go, my dear technician. So let me unbox it for you guys to see. Check this out. Wow, I like this. In fact, I love this. I love this so much. Okay, check this out. Let me put the microphone and show you how it look like. Check this out. Okay, so this is the cable that you can just plug in here. Then this other side, you plug it in your sound card. So this one is the table clamp. Check this out. So let me unbox this one. If you have question, feel free, ask me a question. If you have, ask me a question. Check this out, my dear technician. If you want to set up your studio, or apart from phone, you have any other thing that you're doing, I strongly recommend you can get this mic. It works like magic. But after getting this mic, I strongly recommend get phantom power 48 volt. Okay, get phantom power 48 volt to boost the audio, to make the audio sound professional the way you want it. Check this out. You can see this is the sound card, the V8 sound card. Check this out. The V8 sound card comes with Bluetooth. There's built-in Bluetooth. You can just connect it with your phone and you're good to go. There are buttons. There are buttons for the treble. There are buttons for the bass, for the record and a whole lot of things. Okay, check this out. So this is the holder, the mic holder. So this is how it look like. Check this out. You can see. If you have questions, feel free to ask me. This is how it look like, guys. I love this so much. You don't need to stress yourself. You don't need to stress yourself looking for something to put your phone or to put your mic. Let me just say your mic. This thing can do it for you. Okay, just connect it and you're good to go. Shift your mic to any place that you want and enjoy yourself. Okay, this is a manual that comes with the mic. You can go through and read it. Okay, and that's all. Check this out, and that's all. If you have question, let me know in the comment section. Like I said, my dear technician, if you have question, like I said, let me know in the comment section. So guys, this is things that comes with the microphone. You can see the VS anchor, the cable, the table clamp, and a whole lot of things. Guys, feel free to let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. I love you all. My name is Father Joe. I'm the CEO of Father Joe Phone Repairs. Bye for now.